Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change Infinix GT20 Pro keyboard to LED keyboard. Well, LED keyboard often come with customizable lighting options, allowing you to change colors and patterns. This adds a personal touch and can make your device look more visually appealing. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, you need to install this application from the App Store onto your device. Okay, once the installation is complete, simply tap on the application icon to launch it. Upon launching, navigate through the initial setup process by tapping on the side arrow and selecting the continue option. Okay, once you have completed the initial setup, you will be directed to a page where you can further customize your experience. Tap on the plus icon to access additional features, and then select the Activate LED keyboard. Confirm your selection by tapping OK. OK, and now proceed to step 1 by tapping on it. Here you will be prompted to activate the LED keyboard by toggling the switch to the on position. Confirm your choice by tapping OK. Moving on to the step 2, select the LED keyboard from the available option. This will ensure that the LED keyboard is properly activated and ready for use on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change Infinix GT20 Pro keyboard to LED keyboard. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.